You already know how much we love fun facts. So today, let's start with one. Did you know that if an apocalypse ever occurs, there is a special place on Earth from which plant life can start growing again? That place is called the Svalbard Global Seed Vault, also known as the Doomsday Vault. Now, this vault stores almost 1 million samples of food crop seeds in case of future crises like wars, disaster, or climate change. It's like an insurance policy to protect and preserve plant life for an unknown future. Hold on, why are we talking about this?
Welcome
To Svalbard, the end of the earth where you will not need 2 but at least 4 pairs of clothing to just stand the weather. Now, where is the end of the world? Right here. A wasteland void of any trees or vegetation, just white snow everywhere, which also happens to be the last place humans can tolerate in the Arctic. On the same remote mountain in an abandoned coal mine now exists another vital safe house, the Arctic World Archive, preserving the world's data of today for a post-disaster world. GitHub, often billed as the world's largest host of open source code, has successfully transported all of its active public code repositories to the Arctic World Archive. Similar to how you'd back up a disk drive, GitHub is archiving all of its code to date to ensure it remains secure and safe under ice. The archive is located closer to the North Pole than the Arctic Circle, and the cold storage will last for at least 1,000 years to come. A little more about this mysterious place. Svalbard is regulated by the International Svalbard Treaty as a demilitarized zone. It is one of the most remote and geopolitically stable human habitations on Earth. Earlier, a coal mine now has turned into one of the most important places of the future. The Arctic World Archive is a joint initiative between Norwegian state-owned mining company Store Norske Spitsbergen Company. I hope I got that right.
Why are you calling me? I'm right.
And very long-term digital preservation provider Pequel AS. All the data is stored on film reels coated with iron oxide in a steel-walled container inside a sealed chamber. AWA is devoted to archival storage in perpetuity. The AWA already preserves historical and cultural data from Italy, Brazil, Norway, the Vatican, and many others. If and when Svalbard is affected by climate change, it is likely to affect only the outermost few meters of permafrost. Warming is not expected to threaten the stability of the mine. Now, interestingly, the mine's proximity to the famous Global Seed Vault is only 1 mile away, which makes me think we'll probably have food and tech sorted after the winter. So why is GitHub doing this and how will it help? They hope that one day the open source data can be used by historians or future generations to understand the dawn of computing, which is our present. In addition to the repositories, GitHub has also saved a few classic works of humanity and an introductory letter in case it's discovered after an apocalypse or by aliens or by something that doesn't know much about present humanity. To simplify the tech part, GitHub has captured a snapshot of every active public repository of 21 TB data on 2nd Feb 2020 and preserved the data in the Arctic Cold Vault. Snapshot refers to a copy of a system captured at a particular point in time. Most data is stored in QR coded and compressed. There would also be a tech tree, which is a document that contains the technical history and cultural context of the GitHub Archive program. Now you might think that all this data would take up a lot of space when stored on film. However, it comfortably fits in a shipping container. Yes, this container carries all of human creations so far. All in all, know that if doomsday comes, precautions have been taken and our future generations or maybe even aliens will be able to recreate computers using these archived softwares from a town called Loryenvin, where currently not more than 2,000 people live. And well, the name definitely came from a very lonely coal miner. Here, polar bears outnumber humans, yet it represents the world's biggest insurance in terms of global technological devastation.
Thank you.
नहीं क्या थैंक यू कुछ नहीं बोलते आप